Here's another cool thing AI can do. It can actually look at your website and give design suggestions. So if there's a part of your website you're not loving, just grab a quick screenshot and pop it into ChatGPT. Then you can ask for tips on how to improve it, and it'll suggest ways to make it look even better. To take a screenshot on a Mac, press Command-Shift-4, then click and drag over the area you want. On Windows, press Windows key Shift-S. Once you've taken your screenshot, upload it to ChatGPT and ask for some tips on improving it. ChatGPT will give you specific suggestions based on your screenshot, but everyone's results will be a little different. Remember, these ideas are just suggestions. You don't have to use all of them. Just pick the ones you like and think will look good. In my example, ChatGPT suggested making the headers bold, adding interesting subheaders, putting clear buttons for actions like shopping for toys, and using nice product images. It also gave me a fun idea for a header, for dogs who chew hard and love harder. If you like these kinds of ideas, you can copy and paste them right onto your website. Use the ideas you want and disregard the rest. For me, ChatGPT also suggested adding a soft background color, like beige or green, to make the page look better, so I'll implement that too. And ooh, I really like the way that looks. Don't forget, for the buttons on your site, you'll want to link them to a destination. To do that, click on the button, click Edit button, and then under Link To, you can select a page, a web address, or even a specific section on your website.